Main points of the nervous system. Brain, spinal cord, and the nerves form the nervous system of the body. Now, what is neuron? It is the structural and the functional unit of the nervous system. Now, what is axon? ये जो न्यूरॉन है उसका एक पार्ट है axon that forms the nerve fibers, and a number of nerve fibers together form a nerve. अरे तुम करो ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है? What are sensory nerves? Now, sensory nerves transmit the sensory impulses from the receptor to the CNS. मान लो हम लोग गर्म चीज में हाथ डाल दिया, so ये खबर कौन पहुंचाएगा ब्रेन तक कि गर्म चीज में हमारा हाथ डाल दिया. So the sensory nerve fibers only transmit this news to the CNS, and motor nerves तब हमारा through CNS हम लोग को बताएंगे, the impulses देंगे to the effector organs कि भाई हाथ हटा लो. That's the thing. Then CNS, or the central nervous system, is the site of processing the informations. It includes both the brain and the spinal cord. In a nutshell, I am telling about the entire nervous system. Now, the largest part of the human brain is the cerebrum. It is associated with thinking, reasoning, listening, learning, intelligence, innovations, memorizing and all. And what is cerebellum? It is called the little brain. It maintains basically the balance and the equilibrium of the body. Then we also have the medulla oblongata. It controls the involuntary activities जो है like heartbeat, breathing, ये सब ये control करेंगे. Then we have reflex actions, which are very sudden and quick response without the thinking of the brain. If we have to give a very quick response, we take the help of reflex action. Spinal cord and medulla of the brain are associated with this reflex action. So this is nervous system in a nutshell.